88 counties in Ohio to draw industry.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the first and East demonstration team from Air Combat Command's 23rd Wing, located at Moody Air Force Base in Valdosta, Georgia. Watch now as Captain Green pulls the aircraft straight into the vertical, demonstrating the Warhawk's power and maneuverability in all attitudes of flight. Captain Green is now positioning the A-10 for a pass down the runway, where he will perform a double aileron roll at show center. During this maneuver, he will demonstrate the A-10's rapid roll capability by rolling the 35,000-pound aircraft at almost 200 degrees per second. And now, from the left, Captain Green displaying the A-10's rolling maneuverability. Captain Green is repositioning the A-10 for a slow roll along the show line to demonstrate the A-10's precise handling characteristics. As Captain Green rolls the A-10, you will notice a fake canopy pinned on the belly of the aircraft, directly underneath the cockpit. This false canopy is designed to deceive enemy ground troops as the A-10's direction of turn. Aerobatic maneuver, the Cuban 8. It's the A-10's remarkable maneuverability that enables it to perform its close air support mission. Twisting and turning low over the battlefield, the Warhawk can deliver devastating firepower, destroying targets closest to friendly forces. In its arsenal are a wide variety of modern weapons, including Maverick missiles, unguided and satellite-guided bombs, cluster bombs, rockets, 30mm bullets, and AIM-9 air-to-air missiles. All these weapons have been used to attack enemy forces in Iraq, Bosnia, Kosovo, and Afghanistan. The A-10's two General Electric turbofan engines add more than just power to its performance. They're also smokeless and much quieter than comparable engines. This makes the airplane much harder to hear and aids immensely in achieving tactical and small turn radius, which enables it to work effectively over the battlefield. Captain Green just completed that turn in only 1,400 feet. On the battlefield, this capability allows the pilot to employ his weapon and then turn quickly to stay outside of enemy air defenses. One that's designed to make it more difficult to pick up visually. This design also reduces infrared radiation and helps to beat any heat-seeking missiles. And now, from the right, Captain Green at the slow speed pass. Let's go to the cockpit of the aircraft and see if Captain Green has any words for us here today.
Hello, Branson. Myself and the A-10 demo team are proud to perform the first annual Branson Airshow. We hope you enjoy the show.
During World War II, the original Flying Tigers, led by General Claire Chennault, painted teeth on the noses of the P-40 Warhawks to strike fear into the hearts of the enemy. Today, that 23rd Fighter Group, comprised of two A-10 squadrons, keep this proud tradition alive. 20mm rounds. They will now take Captain Green less than 30 seconds to get back into firing position for a second straight attack. When two A-10s working together, enemy forces could expect to be under A-10 fire once every 10
tell you, Travis, this is exciting stuff to see. I wish we could actually. I wish we could hear the real cannon.
Absolutely, Rob. Captain Green is now repositioning for his final attack. We'll hear a signaling dropping a 500-pound Mark 82 general purpose bomb. These general purpose bombs are useful for cratering airfields, for destroying buildings, adding versatility to the Hawk's arsenal of weapons.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for this simulated bomb run, because we're going to see one of the biggest explosions in Missouri. Get it on! Feel the heat! And rejoice in the freedom of an air show in Branson, Missouri, in America, where we can do things like this and get away with it and have fun with it. I feel like I got too close to my gas grill.
Love it. Rich's incredible viral 3,000 feet of raw flames in raw action in earth-shaking fun. Folks, a big round of applause for the out on the right. Captain Green and a 4-point roll, displaying the crisp handling characteristics of the A-10. While defending our great nation. Now from behind, and to your right, Captain Green and the dedication pass. Once again, all those fighting war on terrorism, there's an applause. The A-10's maintainability is proven every time it flies, in every imaginable climate, during deployments including Desert Shield, Desert Storm, Allied Force, Enduring Freedom, and Iraqi Freedom. The A-10 has consistently demonstrated its ability to fly more than 4 sorties per day, a combat capability your United States Air Force is using today. We trust today's demonstration has given you some insight into the capabilities of the A-10 Thunderbolt II. This airplane was designed to be, and is, the close air support weapon of choice. Responsiveness, simplicity, survivability, and lethality. And able to do its job effectively, giving our forces on the ground the air power they need, where they need it, and when they need it. We hope our performance has sparked an interest into the opportunities you can have as a member of the United States Air Force. If interested in joining today's premier aerospace team, please stop by and talk to us guests. Thank you and have a great day.
Senior Airman Travis Roseman, nice job, buddy. First time narrating the show, great job. Well, we're going to continue. In just a moment, we're going to bring